24. Number 6. See, number 30 sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 30. To number 5. 4-3. Number 33. Number 30. To number 30. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Foul. No foul. Black. 34. Isang counter dito yan. Ilang counter ang meron tayo nito? Siya. Guys. Iwabas-gulo lang tayo ha. Number 10. Pinaglasa. Wala. Number 19. Number 5 tries to shoot the ball by number 24. Pinagasa. Ikaw na bola. May kasama ball. Behind the back pass. Number 7. Number 10 to number 19. Oops, to number 33. That's to number 5. Number 5, jump shot. Number 7 to number 10. Number 7. Number 10. Number 7 to number 10. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 27. 27. Tama. May kasamang foul. Number 29. Foul. Second, team foul. Sobre. Number 7, dribbling ball. 0-0. Pass to number 10. Totally out of track. No good. Number 30 to number 7. Pass to number 30. Jump shot. No good. Still got number 5 in. 2 points by number 1. Number 34. Number 5. Asia layup. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Number 7. Number 34. Back to number 7. Still got number 10. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19, number 24. Number 00. Complete number. It's 27. Clear of less. No good. Boy, number 00, number 2. Number 10. 2 minutes. Pinasa sa maling tao. Wala. Save ball.
Ay, parang si Eric din eh.
Number 23. The number 5 layup is good. 27. The number 13. Also the ball, that's running over. Sige na mula. Number 10, pass to number 00. Number 10. Number 10, parang sa Kalawet. 33. Kalawet.
All the game.
The ball. 90. Loaded. Rebound by number 23. So number 5. Layup is Tubo. By number 23. Tumira ng 3. So good. 9. Rebound. 2 points by number 20 seconds. Number 7.
Lamang ang white. Panalo na to. 10 seconds. 12 lamang.
Nice game. Congratulations, Broken Top. Ayun,